In a bright toy park, Daddy Pig begins a cheerful, windy walk.
I will join the walk in a moment. The wind is making everything dance. George notices every little movement in the windy park. George sees the dancing leaves, too. The wind.
Peppa, Daddy Pig, and George enjoy a bright walk down the windy park path.
It is very windy today. I had better cap.
A good hat usually stays in place.
The wind is getting stronger.
Uh-oh!
My hat! The hat is flying! My hat!
Catch it!
We have to catch it! Catch hat! I almost have it. It is very close now. Reach higher! Higher!
Too high.
It went under the bench. I will go this way. I go around.
Daddy Pig comes very close, but the wind carries the hat away at the last second.
It keeps escaping.
Oh dear, it moved again.
The wind is quick.
The chase leaves the bench area and moves toward the little hill deeper in the park.
It is heading for the hill.
We must keep going.
I am coming too.
Maybe it will stay there.
Let us hope so.
Stay, hat.
Just when it seems over, the wind sends the hat tumbling away again. Oh no, it went over. After it again. Run, run.
Come along, George.
I am fast too. Now it is in the bushy field. We can still catch it. Watch the hat. I nearly had it that time. Daddy Pig gets very close again, but the hat slips free one more time. It keeps changing direction. This is a very tricky hat. The wind moves it around.
Instead of chasing wildly, George slows down and studies the hat very carefully.
George has an idea. What do you see, George?
Hat comes down there.
Do you think it will land there? Yes. There. There. George may be right. Now the family stops chasing in different directions and starts working together as a team. I will stand over here. Good thinking. Let us work together. I wait here. Be ready, George.
It is coming lower now.
I got it. George caught it. Ah! Well done, George.
Thank you, George. You were very clever.
We caught it.
We solved the problem by working together.
Teamwork helped the most. Together is best.
What a lovely sunny day for planting a little tree.
We will need our tools, our seeds, and a little patience. Oh, what is Daddy Pig doing in the garden today? Garden. Tools, tools. Come on, George. Let us see what Daddy Pig is making. Yes.
Daddy Pig, are you planting something?
Yes, Peppa. Today we are going to plant a little tree. Tree seeds?
That is right, George. Tiny seeds can become a lovely tree. Peppa can dig the hole, George can carry the seeds, and I will help with the watering.
I am ready to dig.
Seeds! This spot gets sunshine, so it will be a lovely place for our tree.
I will make the perfect little hole.
Slowly, Peppa. A little hole is enough for our seeds.
Like this, Daddy Pig?
Yes, that is very good.
I carry seeds. Well Well done, George. You brought the seeds. Seeds for tree.
Ready, George? Let the seeds go into their new home.
Go, seeds! Our little tree is starting already. Now we tuck the seeds in with soft soil. Like a little blanket for the tree. Every planted seed needs a nice drink of water. A little water helps the seeds begin to grow.
Ooh, the water looks shiny in the sunshine.
Water for tree.
I help too.
Well, that was a very enthusiastic kind of helping.
Oops.
George made a muddy gardening joke.
Gardening can be a little messy and very funny.
Daddy Pig, shall we give our tree a name sign?
That is a wonderful idea, Peppa.
I will write our little tree.
Here is our sign. Tree sign.
Now we wait, water it kindly, and let sunshine help it grow.
Growing takes patience. Wait for tree. We planted a tree together. Little tree.
And one day, it will grow big and strong. In the bright toy living room, Daddy Pig sees a huge messy floor covered with toys. I am not in this moment, but I will help soon.
I can clean very fast. I will help out too. Fast can be fun, Peppa. Peppa, George wants to join too. George, I clean too. Daddy Pig, that is very good, George.
Let us have a toy cleaning race. Hey!
I will win.
Race! Remember, Peppa, do it properly too.
Yes, Daddy. I will be super fast. I can carry all of these at once. Oops, they keep falling. Slow down a little. Some toys are still on the floor. Blocks first. George places the blocks in the right spot and keeps everything neat.
George is very tidy. Blocks go here.
Well done, George. I am being careful. Now the difference is clear. Peppa is fast and noisy while George is slow and tidy. I can do one more big trip. That pile looks tricky. Careful with that ball, Peppa. The faster Peppa moves, the more toys escape and make new little messes. Oh no! The cups fell too. George quietly fixes the problem by finding the ball and keeping everything neat again.
George is helping. Found it.
Very helpful, George.
George keeps sorting every item patiently, one by one, until the area looks much better.
George is very tidy.
I think it is time to compare the cleaning. Now Daddy Pig can decide his tidy. Peppa, you were fast, but some toys fell and some are in the wrong places.
Oh, I see them now. Mine are tidy.
I was fast, but I did not do it properly. We can fix it. That is a very honest thought, Peppa.
That is all right, Peppa. Let us try the careful way now.
Yes, Daddy. I want to do it properly.
I can help too.
This time I will slow down. We do it neatly.
That is the right idea. Peppa changes her method and now works with care instead of rushing.
Only a few at once. That looks better.
Very sensible, Peppa.
Cars together. George is very good at this. Cars together. Excellent sorting, George.
Well done. The room looks lovely and tidy now.
It looks much better.
All clean. And the winner is George, because he cleaned carefully.
I won!
Peppa is not upset. She has learned an important lesson from George.
You won because you did it properly, George. Careful cleaning.
Exactly right. What a lovely garden day. Oh? What's that?
that? Garden. Wow. Wow. George, there is a box in the garden. Box. Maybe it is a present.
It could be toys, or a surprise game, or something funny.
Oh, maybe a ball.
What have we found here?
Daddy Pig, we found a mystery box in the garden.
That does sound very mysterious.
Mystery box.
Then we must solve the mystery together.
There is only one proper way to solve a mystery box.
Open it together. Open.
Let us see what surprise is waiting inside.
It is full of toys.
Lots of toys.
That is a very good mystery box. I want to see this little doll first.
And this little car looks ready for an adventure.
Roll the ball.
That sounds very fair.
Let every toy have a turn.
Watch this tiny garden race.
Fast car.
The doll can join the game too.
Then the car can bring the doll on a little garden journey. The ball can be treasure. Treasure ball.
Then we must deliver the treasure carefully across the garden.
Ball rolling.
I saved the treasure.
The treasure has been rescued.
Treasure saved. It was not just one surprise. It was lots of fun together. Best box. The mystery box became the happiest game.
Happy box.
The best surprises are the ones we enjoy together.
This hill looks like the perfect place for a lovely picnic. Oh,
It is such a beautiful day for a picnic. I bring juice. You are carrying the juice very carefully, George. I am helping. What a lovely view from up here. Big hill. This is the perfect spot for our picnic.
we shall put the blanket here, where the grass is soft and the view is lovely.
I can help put out the sandwiches and fruit.
Thank you, Peppa. That is very helpful.
Juice goes here.
Very good, George. You carried it so carefully. Everything looks even nicer when we eat outside. Picnic nice. Fresh air makes a picnic feel extra special.
This sandwich tastes extra nice on top of a hill.
Juice is yummy.
It is lovely to enjoy a quiet afternoon in nature together.
Butterfly! Woo, fly! Woo! Let us see where the butterfly goes. Catch up!
Stay where I can see you, please.
It was like the butterfly wanted us to follow it. Bye, butterfly. Bye-bye, butterfly. Mummy Pig, that cloud looks like an animal.
Then let us see what animals we can find in the clouds.
I see clouds too. That one looks like a sheep. That one looks like a dinosaur. And that cloud looks a little like a sleepy bear.
Sometimes the nicest game is simply resting and looking at the sky.
I like listening to the wind and watching the clouds. Nature can make a very peaceful afternoon. Today was a perfect picnic day. Happy picnic! The best part was enjoying the fresh air together.
Today looks perfect for a lovely water slide game. A little water will make the slide smooth and slippery.
A water slide! That looks so much fun! Slippery! It looks slippery and fun! Very slippery! We can all have fun if we take turns and slide carefully. I would love to try first. Watch first. It is really slippery. Would you like to be the first slider? Whee! That was so fast! You slid beautifully. George, it is really fun. Fun? Funny fast? You do not have to rush. You can try when you feel ready. Try. Whee! You did it, George! Again! Well done! You tried something new.
We should see who can slide farther.
We can have a sliding challenge and see who goes farther. There, farther! That sounds fun, as long as it stays friendly. Friendly challenge! Friendly! Hey! I am gonna slide very far. Far slide. George is getting braver. I like sliding. That is what happens when you try new things. That looked fun. Mummy slide. It was very fun. This is the best sunny game ever. Love slide.
Trying something new can lead to wonderful fun. In a bright toy kitchen, Mummy Pig prepares a sweet candy lesson for Peppa and George. Today we will make candy carefully and neatly.
Wow! So many colors! I want to make the best candy ever! Candy! Sweet candy! George, let us make a giant sweet mix. Big candy! First, we pour a little syrup. Then we stir gently. Yes, Mummy. Little syrup. But Peppa starts to rush. She thinks more syrup might make sweeter candy. Maybe a little more will make it even better. George copies his sister right away and squeezes too hard. I do more too.
That is a lot.
Too much.
Oh no! My stronger than they expected. Pull, George, pull! Still stop! Oh dear, we used too much syrup.
When we hurry and pour too much, candy becomes messy and sticky.
We were too fast, too sticky. Oh, it is coming off. First, we wash slowly under the water. Very good. Slow and gentle. My hand is free. You did it. I feel better now. Our hands are clean again. No more sticky. Now we try again, but this time only a little syrup. I will go slowly this time. George also remembers to be gentle, and this time he gets it right. Aha! Tiny squeeze. Slowly, George. Slowly. Doing it the right way really works.
No rushing. Good candy.
When we take our time, our work becomes easier, and better.
Good. I will remember that. Next time, we will be careful from the start. Careful, Candy! That is exactly right. Train goes here. Click together.
Oh, George is building a train track.
Peppa!
George, let us build a really big train track. Big track.
These curved pieces can go around the room. More pieces.
This will be the long part of the railway.
Round and round. All around the room.
What a wonderful railway you are building!
We want the train to go all around the living room. Then we should make the corners smooth and wide. Wow.
This side can curve gently around the sofa.
Sofa loop. Now the train can pass by the table. Oh, nearly done.
Yes, the circle is coming together very nicely. A bridge and a tunnel will make the train journey even more fun.
The tunnel can go by the bookshelf. That is a perfect place for it. Bridge for train. Yes, now the train can go up and down. Engine first. I will attach the carriages. Everything looks lined up properly now. Go, train, go! Go, train, go!
Look, George, it is going through the tunnel.
Tunnel train! I run with train. We should build little houses for the train.
The train can travel through a tiny city.
Ooh, that is a lovely idea. Let us build it together. House by tunnel. And a taller house by the bridge. Our train is visiting every part of the little city. Train and city! You both made a wonderful toy world together. We made a train city together. Best train! And the best part was playing together.
Tilapia! Today is a lovely day for painting together. Everything is ready for a free painting afternoon.
Oh, painting time! There are so many lovely colors!
Lots of colors.
You can both paint whatever you like today. I want to paint something bright and beautiful. I paint too! I am making a rainbow. New color. Peppa is painting a picture, and George is discovering how colors mix. Look, Mummy Pig! My rainbow is getting bigger!
It looks very cheerful and bright.
Blue and yellow.
That is a wonderful way to discover new colors. We are getting paint everywhere.
Messy hands!
Well, this looks like the beginning of a new kind of painting. Instead of worrying, let us make a big picture with our hands.
Hand painting sounds fun. Hands!
A painting can begin with one little fingerprint.
I can make rainbow dots and sunshine splashes.
Handprint. Your handprint looks lovely next to my rainbow dots.
More colors.
Let us make one more nice clear handprint here.
Another one.
I am adding fluffy clouds around the rainbow. That makes the whole picture feel even happier. Our painting is getting bigger and bigger. Big picture! Sometimes the best ideas begin with a little accident. It is the biggest and happiest painting ever.
That one is mine.
And it helped make the whole picture wonderful. The happy accident made our painting even better.
Happy painting!
Creativity can begin in the most unexpected and joyful ways.
Today is a perfect day for a bubble game in the garden.
We shall start with the little wand and then try the giant one.
Oh, Daddy Pig has brought bubbles into the garden. I think Daddy Pig is going to show us something fun. Fun bubbles.
We shall begin with little bubbles.
I love bubbles.
Little bubbles.
Now we blow gently.
They are so shiny. Small bubbles can be very lovely. Bubble over me.
Mine popped straight away.
Try blowing more gently.
I made one.
Look at them floating across the grass.
Catch bubble.
Now we are ready for something bigger. Now let us try the giant bubble wand.
That wand is enormous. Big bubbles.
Very slowly now.
Watch carefully.
It is getting bigger and bigger.
Giant bubble.
There it goes.
Bubble bubble over me. I think I can catch it. It looks like a floating rainbow. Oh, funny bubble. It is the biggest bubble we have made today. Just a little closer. Pop soon. Pop.
Big pop! That was a very good bubble.
Let us make another giant one. More bubbles! Yes, I think we need a few more giant bubbles. Giant bubbles are the funniest bubbles.
Happy bubbles!
The best part was making them together.